Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add text in Photopea. So basically, I have my project open right here of Iron Man, and let's go ahead and say that I want to turn this image into a YouTube thumbnail. In order to do that, you then want to add something like a text. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over into the toolbox section right here, and then you want to click on the T character onto the toolbox. Now this is going to be the type tool, so just click on it, click on a specific layer from your photo, and basically with that we then have our text layer. So from there, what you can do is to go ahead and resize your text. You can also go ahead and choose your own font, and basically right after that you can just go ahead and start typing right away. So in my case, I'm going to add something like Dr. Doom or Iron Man. And now we have a text on our Photopea right here. Of course, you can adjust this the way you want to. And right after editing this, you can just click on the plus icon. Now, if you want to add some effects, once again, this is really simple. Just double click on your text layer right here. And then I want to add something like stroke to simply highlight the image. And then I'm going to add something like a drop shadow. And so guys, that is how you can add a text in Photopea. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.